Hello everyone, welcome to the next video. In this video we are going to draw this design in isometric mode. First of all, we should enter into the isometric mode. Go to object snap settings, snap and grid, change it to rectangular snap to isometric snap. Okay, the grid lines have been changed. Now carefully observe the sketch. So in which plane we want. Here the distance is 52. Make sure that ortho is on. Make sure that ortho is on 52. Then what is the height? 9 mm. 9, 52, 9. Okay. Then in this direction, what is the distance? 75. So change the plane. Click on the F5. 75. It's the top 9. It is the back side. Back side it is total 75. It is 33. It is given as it is symmetric about the vertical. So here also it will be 33. 33. Top, what is the distance? We don't know exactly what distance of the top plane, but from here the distance is given 40 on the top. So 40 we can draw. We can from here 9 is the web thickness. Again 40, 33. I am closing this. Now with this center point is the line, no? So we from here the center point we can draw this C shape. So go to ellipse, iso circle. This is my center point. Center point, what is the radius of the circle? 15. Okay. And another one, I am repeating that ellipse, iso circle. What is the center point here? 15 plus 8, that is 23. 23. Okay. Now we have drawn all these things. We can trim it out. We can trim this. TR, double enter. There is no need of these circles. We can remove this one also. We can remove this one also. And we can remove this one also. So up to where it is a half C section, no? So we have to draw. So what we can use? We can use the command copy. Copy, enter. The edge length is 9 plus 40, that is 49. So up to here we can trim. Up to here we can. This is the C section. Have completed. Now in this direction we can copy entire C section type. Copy this edge, this C shape, this C section shape, this one. Enter. Change the direction. Change the direction up to where? From here 22. Total 52. So 22 on the other side and this side 22. Symmetric about this. So 22. So thereafter 8. 22 plus 8 means 30. And last one is, or you can use the directly 52. Okay. So you can copy this edge, modify, copy, enter. Here, here, here. we can copy these edges. So remaining portions we can trim it out. No problem. TR double enter. There is no need of this one. Observe the sketch carefully while you are trimming, whether we require that those portions or not, so that it will give a clear picture what is required and what is not required. So this edge is somewhat slant, no? So how to draw this one? Take a line from the midpoint of the circle, that is 26. So from here we can draw a line of 22 in this direction. 22, 22. Then there is a web thickness of 8. This is my web thickness. Similarly, I am undoing. Trim the unwanted portions. From here, draw 22. Okay. Similarly, from here, draw 22. Parallel edges, na? Just simply make sure that ortho is off. Join the edges. You can trim this. You can delete this later. Then modify, copy. You can copy this slant edge from here to here. What is the thickness? 8. 8. You can extend this one. There is no issue with that. Extend. Okay. TR double enter. TR double enter. We can copy this edge. Enter from here to here. Extend. Yes. Okay. So once we have completed this one, we have to check these edges also. What is the edge length? From here, take the line, make sure that ortho is on, change the direction, F5, 22, and join with this line. At the same time, we can take a line, make sure that ortho is on, just simply draw a vertical line. Thereafter, you can trim the unwanted portions. Okay. Then this edge has to be copied out. How much it is? Modify, copy, enter. In this direction, what is the edge length? 22. Okay. Remaining portion you can trim it out. while you are joining, join with diamond to diamond. TR double enter. More snap settings will be there, diamond to diamond, to get that curvature portion. Okay. Similarly, on the opposite side also we have to draw. This is the distance 22. Okay. Then from here F5, change the direction. Next crossover. Thereafter you can trim the unwanted portions. Okay. Okay. So now from what is the distance 22. Similarly, same procedure what we have done. 22. This is my edge length, no? So join this edge length with this edge. Wherever it intersects, just simply remaining portions we can trim it out. That is the standard procedure. Okay. So once it is completed, give the dimensions to that. How we are going to give that one dimensions, aligned dimensions. Give the dimensions, aligned dimensions 52. So how to give that in the same direction, oblique. Select that dimension, enter, give the direction. Similarly, dimension oblique, select the dimension, in which direction you want, just select it. Similarly, dimension aligned from here to here, 9, dimension oblique, enter, give the direction, 9. Similarly, from here to here, distance is dimension aligned from here to here, 22. Dimension oblique, enter, this direction we want. After giving the dimensions, change these lines into axis lines. How? Go to bilayer, other, load, center line will be there. Apply that center line, import that one, select the lines what you want and apply the center. So it looks like this. So in this fashion we have completed the sketch. Okay. Thank you.